Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold.
What's up, what's up? I'm Rebuilder Guy, and this is the budget wakeboat rebuild. I got the Mastercraft on the Malibu trailer, and guess what? It still doesn't fit. Now the trailer is too big for this boat. I'm serious, I have bad luck with trailers, but it is what it is. Today is the day we take this boat to my favorite place, MarineClean. They're gonna knock out these holes with the fiberglass damage. They're gonna redo the gel coat. We're gonna remove some of these stickers, and we're gonna make it nice and shiny. All right, y'all ready? Let's go. Is there some kind of YouTube law that whenever you say you're gonna be driving somewhere, you kind of have to film the road? I mean, it's kind of weird. And to everybody thinking that Texas is a desert, check out these beautiful trees. Such an awesome day to drive. It's a long drive, but it's definitely worth it. It's so peaceful. Made it to MarineClean here in Nacogdoches. Got the trailer disconnected from the truck. And Jason and the crew have something planned for this boat, which I'm kind of excited for, and they're actually gonna do some more work that I did not expect that they knew how to do. So they're gonna go ahead and take care of us here. I love this shop. They always do good work. Take it away, Jason. Oh, that's dope. With the awesome guys from MarineClean working on the boat, let's talk about the elephant in the room and what's going on in the world today. I posted up a picture on Instagram, and I was kind of feeling off making a video just about this and not talking about something more serious. And most of you guys just wanted a good video just to distract you guys, and I hope I'm doing that for you. And the guys that are here for knowledge and trying to understand what I do, I'm also very happy that you are here. Remember, don't give up hope. I remember in 2008 during the financial recession, I opened up my business. Everything was scary and times were uncertain, but sometimes you just gotta grab life by the horns and just run with it. All right, I hope you enjoyed the rest of the video. So we got the budget boat back to the shop and it is looking awesome. I just went over some of the footage that Jason got for me and it looks awesome. I'm really pleased with the work. There's a little bit of discoloration going on, but I told them not to worry about matching it up perfect. The whole point of this was to do it on a budget. Jason, it looks awesome, man.
Good. We tried our best here, so.
You want to tell us about what you did to cover up some of these imperfections here with the transition between the white and the green?
That's right.
I see there's a stripe there.
Yeah. You saw the damage before where the wakeboard was mounted. We repaired all that, shot the gel coat. Anyway, there was a few cracks that came down that we repaired, but we weren't able to cover up in the shoot new green, you know, staying on a budget. So we ended up just putting some vinyl stripes here to cover up the damage there. It looks awesome. It covers up the damage, and we saved a lot of money not having to shoot green here to do that. So that was the point there then.
That's awesome. I'm really liking it. I mean, it's going to give it, oh crap, I just hit something. It's going to give it a different look for sure. There is another spot here that we're working on right now that we didn't notice, but there's one spot that holds the engine cover and then this spot that mounts it. But that's not an issue. Jason is also finishing up the superboat here. We have damage here that was covered up by the fenders of the trailer, but we'll get it squared away here very shortly. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Go check out MarineClean. Go on Instagram, show him some love. Facebook, Google. You saw his work. You know it's awesome. I almost forgot. We also got a new tower in from New Dimension Towers. This is the factory spec tower that's welded up, not that aftermarket junk. We're going to be installing it very shortly, so stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching, liking, commenting, and sharing. Consider subscribing, and I'll see you very soon.